Yo, what's up, world? So yeah, that's it. Nowadays I'm dressing in this t-shirt so you can see all the swag I'm getting as a GDSC leader, and so that you can ignore all the work I'm doing. But so it's been like almost 4 years since I created my GitHub account, and I wanted to show you how far you can come. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I haven't been committing a lot, but I try. It's not a perfect world anyway. So let's have a look. Okay, so I created my GitHub account on December 10th, 2019. That is when I first joined GitHub here, as you can see. And in 2020, yeah, let's see, I made no contribution. So I was just coding, and I didn't know how to use GitHub this time. Let us see what happened in 2021. But I was just coding. Then let us see what happened in February. That was February. I made my first contribution. Let's see. What was it about? I joined the organization. So as you can see, guys, this is the importance of joining a community. I learned how to use GitHub through this organization. I learned how to code through this community. I joined the DSC Developer Students Club. They taught me about GitHub. They taught me my first programming languages, not programming languages as in they taught me Django. I learned React from them, and they just inspired me, and we grew together. And right now I'm a lead of one. So as you can see, it's about progress. We are going to go through some of the projects I made, and let's see what I did in 2022. This is when I have been committing the most. It's like I have been programming for the past 3 years, because 2020, 2021, 2022. So that's it, guys. Let's see my first repository, my first commit, how it looked like. I will be running it on Code Sandbox. Guys, I'm really happy because this community, this organization, DSC Choir, I think I have grown because of it. The Developer Students Club, they taught me about GitHub, they taught me programming, and fuck, it's like this is where I learned how to program. So after a minute to myself, after being extra happy because of the community I'm in, and after viewing my progress since 2019 up to this moment where I'm currently head of a community that helped me learn coding, I thank God. It's luck and it's God. So let us have a look. The first project I did was one called Mtabibu. It was actually a front end for an web app I was trying to make. It was supposed to consume an API. It would view symptoms and prescribe a medication based on your symptoms. So let us have a look at it. Here it is. Mtabibu. Meanwhile, let's run it on Code Sandbox. Let's log in. Join our community. It's like 4 years since I joined one, and I'm thankful. I'm reflecting right now, and I am where I am because of the community I joined, and thank you. Google Developer Students Club at Quer. Yeah, so I had read Mtabibu yesterday before all this, before trying to make this video. So here is the code. I'll leave the link to my GitHub account. I have some few open source projects you can check out. So let it set up. The funny thing about this, I didn't have a laptop then, so I was coding on my phone. I haven't made the responsive end of the like a big screen. It's only a phone web app. It's only a phone. It only runs on the phone. I didn't have a laptop while teaching myself how to program. This is a story for another video, so another idea. But basically I learned programming on my phone while it's setting up and installing the dependencies.